What if we could open young people's eyes to a hidden world before them, right under their noses, just waiting to be envisioned, designed, seeded, and grown? What if we could help them realize opportunities they never thought possible but always dreamed of? Imagine showing kids they have the power to change the world. Now we can. We are Bloom, the movement to improve the world through the power of plants. We operate on one simple premise. The more we know about plants, the more we can make a difference today. Through the creation of engaging and eye-opening content delivered inside and outside of the classroom, Bloom is inspiring today's youth, the next generation of game changers and dreamers, to unlock the potential of the natural world, to seed their future and ours. You have the power to grow this movement. Find your plant power at wearebloom.org. Powered by Seed Your Future.